Using Python on version 3.11.4, I used external libraries OpenPyXL, Pandas, and PyXLSP for the file manipulation. I also used integrated libraries OS and sys for the file manipulation and error handling. First of all, I import all the libraries and start to code. The first function is open repository, which changes the repository path to an input folder inside the project folder and returns a list of all files inside the repository. After that, the isExcel file function returns true if the files in the folder are all supported files and false if are not. The supported files are XLS, XLSX, and XLSB. The isXLSB function checks if there is any XLSB file in the folder. This step is necessary because OpenPyXL does not support XLSB file, and if there is any XLSB file, we have to convert using pandas. So if there is any XLSB file, we have the XLSB conversion function, which opens the file, asks the user for the sheet to combine, and then convert the file to XLSX extension. If there is not any XLSB file, the application runs the define sheet function, which asks the user for the sheet to combine using OpenPyXL method. After that, the define header function asks the user for the line that the header of the table is located, and then define columns function asks the user to input which columns to be copied. And then the create workbook function creates an output file in the output folder and adds the header to the file. And then the consolidate data function loops inside all the files in input folder and does the copy and paste for each file. The last function is save workbook, which changes the directory to the output folder and saves the workbook as a output.xlsx. And finally, the main function calling all the functions created above to run the program. So here's an example of the script running. I have these three Excel files that I want to combine all of them into only one workbook. And here's the final result.